This is part 1 of the recorded lesson for Wednesday, October 14th, 2020. Today, we are going to be looking at gravity for the first time this year. We are going to start out by watching a video called Which Will Hit the Ground First, where we have a college student who goes around trying to get people's predictions on whether a basketball or a 5-kilogram medicine ball is going to hit the ground first. Then we are going to work on a worksheet called Which Will Hit the Ground First, which we are grabbing some materials that we have at home and also dropping them at the same height and at the same time, just like the college student in the video. Then we are going to do a little reflection of the activator, and we are going to watch a model of gravity in space. That is our plan for today. And for our homework, we are to finish the worksheet titled Which Will Hit the Floor First. Our learning objective today is that we are going to be able to compare forces that act on objects in the universe. So our job right now is to make a prediction, right? Which will hit the ground first when dropped at the same height and time? Is it going to be the basketball, or is it going to be that 5-kilogram medicine ball? 5 kilograms is about 10 pounds. 1 kilogram is about 2 pounds. So it's about a 10-pound ball or a basketball, which is going to hit the ground first, right? So what's going to happen is you are going to click on the next link in Unified Classroom that is titled Dropping a Basketball and 5-kilogram Medicine Ball. So you're going to click on that second link to continue on with our lesson today.